Welcome back to the channel, fellow food trippers. Today we are on our way to a cozy spot serving authentic dim sum and Chinese comfort food. We're visiting again YUM DUM DIM for the fourth time, a hidden gem in 117 B Luna Extension, Sikatuna Village, Quezon City. Our family's choice and go-to place for a satisfying, all-you-can-eat dim sum meal that touches the heart. YUM DUM DIM welcomes you with a clean and homey atmosphere with a spacious dining setting where customers can relax and enjoy good food without a rush. Perfect for family meals, friendly catch-ups, or quiet food trips. The menu features a variety of Chinese favorites, from freshly steamed dim sum and dumplings to a hearty noodle bar. Congee, hot mains with savory stir fries, premium roastings, fried rice, and red tea drinks. Every item is designed for sharing, making it ideal for group dining. When comfortably seated, servers will take your choice orders of dim sum, which is the star of the show. Each basket arrives hot and fresh, with delicate wrappers and flavorful fillings accompanied by hot tea. The siomai is juicy, the hakao is tender. The bean curd roll is savory, and the chicken feet have a distinct gelatinous texture. Other favorites are pork spare ribs in black bean sauce, asado and bola-bola buns, custard lava buns, ube buns, and chocolate lava buns. Every bite feels carefully prepared. You will find yourself ordering seconds. Beyond dim sum, their hot main dishes deliver rich flavors and comforting textures. The hot mains are chow mein, lohan chai, spinach tofu, orange chicken, dong po pork, and beef stir-fry with A1 sauce. The hot mains menu changes weekly for a variety of flavors. Alongside are fried items, which include salt and pepper spare ribs, salt and pepper squid, shrimp spring rolls, pork spring rolls, pinsek dumplings, Chinese kikiam, and shark fin dumpling with red bean buchi. Every bite is perfectly balanced, neither too oily nor overpowering. Just classic comfort food done right. Complemented by yang chow fried rice and steamed rice. Culinary specialties in a holiday feast are always expected. In the spotlight for today's buffet's offering is the dong po pork. Rich, tender, and slow braised to perfection. A delight to the taste buds. Another new dish you should not miss crafted by the creative chef, is the simple-looking spinach tofu. The versatile and subtle taste of spinach blends well with the soft, silken tofu and the umami goodness of simeji mushroom. The marrying of the tasty ingredients and the sweet spinach sauce created a flavorful recipe. You can really taste the quality and care that go into the heart of these two dishes. The noodle bar is heaven for noodle and congee lovers. Diners can create their version of their favorite noodle soup and congee, flavored with their preferred crispy and tasty toppings such as boiled sliced meat, peas balls, fried wonton, fried tofu, mushrooms, vegetables, and peanuts. These two hearty dishes are filling, well-seasoned, satisfying, and you will be wanting more. Diners craving Chinese premium roastings must definitely pay a visit to YUM DUM DIM to enjoy their unlimited roast duck, garlic roast chicken, lechon Macau, char siu pork, and Hainanese chicken. The meat roasts are mouth-watering with crispy skin and savory, succulent meat, while the steamed chicken is equally flavorful. Every season comes with a celebration. At YUM DUM DIM, you can celebrate with the feast of good food, unforgettable moments, and efficient service. YUM DUM DIM offers generous servings at reasonable prices, making it a great value for family dining or special gatherings. For the year 2026, they offer more and better unlimited food choices for the dim sum and dumpling sets. On weekdays, they offer classic and oriental sets, both with more than 19 food choices, at 499 pesos and 588 pesos respectively. On weekends, the oriental set is at 688 pesos with more than 22 food choices, including unlimited hakao. The emerald set has more than 30 choices, including unlimited buffet at 788 pesos. And the emperor set with more than 35 choices, including premium roast at 899 pesos. Walk-ins and table reservations are welcome. The restaurant is open from Monday to Sunday from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Storefront parking is available but limited. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food trips and hidden gems. See you on the next one! Have a blessed, happy, and peaceful New Year! Thank you for watching!